So guys, we are in the master class of angles expert, and how you're going to work on it, it's very simple. You have seen many videos, you've seen the setting it up. Just mark your black spot, and place this arrow, the thick point of it, towards your towards the pocket, arrowing exactly towards the pocket. Leave it over there. It does not make any harm or any interference with the shot. So leave this on the cushion. It's not a big deal. Okay, now what you need to do is just place your black ball on its spot. It will be perfectly on this red dot, which is the main contact point line of it. Once you are done, all you have to do is to just take your white ball and start practicing as you were doing it earlier. Start either with this one, maybe you can even practice with this shot. This is a bit difficult, but you can practice from different angles. So start with any point, any spot. Okay, I would like to go for this one. Again, judge this line. Try to run your white on this line. Make sure your white ball is in the center of this main dot. If it's not, or if it's not setting it up, all you have to do is to just bring it in the center. It's almost in the center. Just 1 2 3 small tap on it will help you settle down, help the white ball settle down. So that's it. We are good to go. You can see landing exactly. Tip should always land in the center. If it's going on one side or other side, then you can try technique expert to correct your cueing, and it has to be must be correct. You'll be able to hit in the center. And another very important tip for you guys, that whenever you're playing an angle shots, make sure you play medium or slow shots, because there's a less contact between object ball and the cue ball. I'm repeating this again and again because this is very important point. So let's move to the next spot. Once you are confident on these one, you played 20-30 pots on this one, and now we are moving on this spot. And make sure this is pointing towards the pocket. All you have to do is to run your cue ball on this line of aim, and you see. So keep practicing again and again and again. Then you can move to a bit lower on the black or higher on the black, but you have to practice. Once you are done from these angles, then you can move to the next side, other side, that is going to be this side. Again, same formula. Point this arrow towards this pocket like this, and you're perfectly on. And start potting balls from different places, different angles. All you have to do is to just place black ball, red ball, whatever ball you will place, the object ball, keep placing them and keep potting them. Keep placing them and keep potting them from different spots, from the cushion side and from the higher side. Of course, from the beginning, if you're right-handed, I would recommend that you start from this side. If you're left-handed, then I would recommend that you start from this side. But you have to practice 4 sides of it, and as much as possible. The last shot is just for your reference. If you want to try this shot, good for you. These probably 2 balls or probably 3 shots, sometimes you might need to use rest, which we'll work on later. So again, every spot is very important. So throughout this master class, I have explained to you again and again that you need to work more and more on your soft hitting, medium pace shots. Do not force your shots, otherwise you will struggle. So thank you very much. Let's move to the next video.